Today, we're diving into a fun and practical gardening project: how to make a DIY self-watering planter. For those looking to keep their plants happily hydrated with minimal effort, this guide is for you. Let's roll up our sleeves and get creative. First, let's understand why a self-watering planter can be a game changer for your garden or home. These planters provide a consistent water source directly to the roots of your plants, reducing the frequency of watering and ensuring your plants stay perfectly moist, not too wet or too dry. It's an ideal solution for busy plant owners or for those who occasionally forget to water their plants. To start, you'll need a few basic materials: 2 containers, one larger and one smaller, a wicking material like a cotton rope or a piece of cloth, a drill or a nail for making holes, water, and your plant of choice, along with some potting soil. Recycled materials work great for this project, so feel free to get creative and eco-friendly with your selections. Here's how to assemble your DIY self-watering planter. 1. Begin by preparing the smaller container, which will hold your plant. Drill or poke several drainage holes in the bottom. These holes are crucial as they allow excess water to escape, ensuring that your plant's roots aren't sitting in water, which could lead to root rot. 2. Next, cut a piece of wicking material long enough to reach from the bottom of the larger container to about halfway into the smaller container. This wick will transport water from the reservoir to the plant's roots. 3. Fill the larger container with water to create your reservoir. Then place the smaller container inside the larger one. Ensure the wicking material extends from the water below into the soil above. This setup will allow your plant to draw water as needed. 4. Add potting soil and your plant to the smaller container. Be sure to plant it at the same depth it was in its original container and pack the soil lightly around it. The moistness of the wicking material will start to hydrate the soil immediately, beginning the self-watering process. 5. Finally, find a sunny spot for your new self-watering planter. Monitor the water level in the reservoir and refill as needed. It's amazing how this system will reduce your watering tasks while keeping your plants thriving. In conclusion, creating a DIY self-watering planter is not only a fun weekend project, but also a smart way to ensure your plants receive consistent moisture. It's perfect for indoor herbs, flowers, or even your office plants. This simple system takes the guesswork out of watering and lets you enjoy lush, healthy plants with less effort. Thank you for watching. This project is a great reminder of how a little DIY ingenuity can go a long way in making our gardening lives easier and more sustainable. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or new to the plant world, a self-watering planter is a fantastic addition to your garden arsenal. Happy gardening!